we have state-of-the-art gyms in our country, or in first world countries, that state-of-the-art gyms, but they don't always produce state-of-the-art athletes. And he didn't
No,
understand why.
no.
And he was like, Jamaica consistently produces fantastic sprinters. Why? And one of the things, they're training in the dust, dirt, backyard of whatever, barefoot, without a track. They're developing hyperarch.
I'm saying is genetics matters, but if you actually just train and actually go through the same morphing process of fascia tension in the foot, once your foot start to look like the elite athletes, you become more holistic.
Right.
Then you are closer to the elite athlete.
Absolutely.
What I'm also saying is you cannot copy the form alone from a technical perspective. If you are trying to copy something, you better copy everything or nothing at all. Mm-hmm. If you're copying just what you can see, that's not a true copy. Right. You have to copy the exact thing as much as possible.